So good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us here tonight for my parents' wedding celebration. I'm so happy to see them together because they obviously make each other happy. They talk about anything under the sun, read the paper until noon on the weekends, and laugh and joke around a lot. They're sweet and cheesy, and they know that they get an eye roll from me for that, so they're even sweeter and cheesier when I'm around. And I just give them more eye rolls. They're also very supportive parents to both me and Jasmine. Whenever Jasmine and I accomplish something in school, no matter how little the accomplishment may be, the news always flies around to Martha, Mary, David, Judy, and pretty much everyone in the family. It's very obvious how proud they are of us, and I find it very motivating to do well. I would like to thank my mom and Joe for giving me huge support in my education. I go to Carleton and they still let me live in residence even if my school is 20 minutes away from home. They want to give me the best education and experience I can have, and I'm really thankful. They are very kind people and they always try and reach out to people whenever they can. I have a couple of friends who also just moved to Canada, and my parents always offer them help regarding having the right winter clothes or finding a job or getting into college or university. So obviously their field of work is not only a career to them, it reflects even outside of work. Joe and Mom being together also means often being with Jasmine. She's a great stepsister, and I'm really glad I met her. We've become really close in the past year, and it's great that she asks me and my mom advice about school, shopping, and other teenage matters. That being said, it is great to be in this family, and I just want to congratulate Mom and Joe for this wonderful wedding celebration, and I wish you guys the best in everything because you deserve it.